Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, but my family and friends call me Di. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, that we're going to be meal prepping today. So normally I try not to be in the kitchen no more than 2 hours meal prepping. So what I normally do for my ingredients that need to be chopped up, I chop them up the day before. So when I get in there, I can just start cooking. So I meal prep for a family of 3. Normally I double up on portion size on some of the meals, so we'll have extra for the week. So by Friday, everything has been consumed. And then Saturday, I just start all over again, meal prepping. So I want to thank you for stopping by, and please enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm going to season my lamb chops. I'm going to use a little sea salt. I'll put a little this pepper. This is Layla Ali spicy blend. Gotta be real careful because you know these things are not that big, so I don't want to over season them. You gotta be careful with this season because this season is spicy. Okay, and so with these lamb chops, this blend, I'm gonna put them in here. Okay, so I have a blend. So what's in here is garlic, thyme, and rosemary. And then I put a little oil, and I use avocado oil to mix in here. And I put a little salt and pepper in here. And I do not have measurements, because like my auntie used to say, if you know how to cook, well my Aunt Doe used to say, if you know how to cook, you don't need to measure. Her words, not mine. So I'm gonna let these marinate. You can usually let them marinate overnight or about an hour or 2. So right here, I have a flank steak, and so I'm gonna season it with a little sea salt. Hey, can't go wrong with this little spicy blend. Little onion powder. And that's oregano, and I love to put a lot of oregano on here. Put my steak in here, and I already had put a little oil in here, so only oil I use is either avocado oil, grapeseed oil, or coconut oil. They're the only oils you'll see me using. So here I have some purple potatoes. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit with a little oil. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to it. I'm gonna let it cook down some. I'm gonna let them cook a little bit till they get a little tender, but not too tender. Then I'm gonna add onion and parsley to this. So now that these are pretty much tender, they need a little more cooking, so I'm gonna put the onion in here. little onion. I'll put as much onion as you like. And then I'm gonna add a little parsley. Okay, and then it's going back in the oven for maybe about 10 more minutes. So I'm gonna remove the sauces out the pan. So butter has melted. I'm gonna add my cabbage. Now I'm gonna season it. So I'm gonna put a little apple cider vinegar, maybe about 1/4 of a cup. Add a little more. I'm gonna put about a little honey in here. You know what I'm gonna do? And I'm gonna add a little apples in here. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Add some apples. Give us a little bit more fiber. Add a little apples in here. Now, I'm gonna put my sauces back in here. So now we're gonna cook the shrimp, and I'm gonna use this soulful seasoning salt by Layla Ali. Alrighty, so let's see. Yeah, we're done. Done. Right here, I melted some butter, and I'm gonna saute a super green blend. And this consists of chard, kale, and spinach. I'm gonna do the same way, kind of like I did the cabbage. Add a little apple cider vinegar. Or if you have coconut vinegar, you can use coconut vinegar also. It's real good too. I'm gonna put a little more honey. About a tablespoon or a teaspoon of honey, whatever your choice is. But I'm gonna add some red pepper flakes. for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, by the way, I don't mind you talking about me. Just don't forget to mention the good things. Thank you and have a blessed day.